Are you suffering from knee pain while sleeping at night? Then you are in the right place. Subscribe now to our channel. Today, we're addressing a common concern, knee pain when sleeping. Let's dive in. Wait, before starting the video, we introduce you with Joint Restore Gummies, which will help you to relieve knee pain naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Experiencing knee discomfort while sleeping is a frustrating issue many people face. It can disrupt your rest, affect your sleep quality, and impact your overall well-being. But what causes this nocturnal knee pain? Let's explore some potential reasons. Several factors might contribute to knee pain during sleep. One common culprit is an improper sleeping position that puts pressure on the knees. Conditions like osteoarthritis or injuries, such as ligament strains or meniscus tears, can also intensify discomfort, especially when the body is at rest. Additionally, fluid accumulation due to certain conditions, like arthritis, can cause swelling or discomfort, particularly at night when the body is less active. Now that we've identified potential causes, let's delve into strategies that might help relieve knee pain during sleep. Firstly, experimenting with different sleeping positions, like placing a pillow between your knees or using a supportive mattress, can reduce pressure and discomfort. Applying heat or cold therapy before bedtime might also alleviate knee discomfort and promote relaxation. Engaging in gentle stretching or low-impact exercises, especially during the day, can improve knee flexibility and reduce stiffness at night. If the pain persists or worsens, seeking advice from a healthcare professional is crucial. They can provide tailored solutions or recommend treatments to address underlying issues. Thank you for joining us on this journey to understand and manage knee pain while sleeping. We hope these insights and tips help you find relief and improve your sleep. Where to get the Joint Restore Gummies? Get Joint Restore Gummies from official website. Click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Until next time, stay tuned